Seniors, are you stressed about your UC or Common Application essays coming up? Can't find a way to get started or what to write about? Well, worry no more. Let me help you understand the pattern that takes and makes these essays easy to write, flow naturally from you, and answer the personal nature of the questions asked. You will end up writing an essay the admissions officers just love and really want to read. So let's face it, high school has not prepped you to write a personal essay like the ones the colleges want you to write. See, there is no source text to analyze or no research to conduct. This is a personal essay, meaning you have to write about you. You have to reveal yourself to strangers, and frankly, revealing yourself to your best friends is hard enough. What I've learned over the past 30 years helping students write these essays is that the students who produce the best essays really learn something about themselves in the process, and then are able to write about that. The end result reads as if you're having a personal conversation with just the reader. While no essay should be formulaic, I can tell you that I have a pattern that makes sense to students and produces great results. The pattern's simple, straightforward, and allows you to make all the necessary changes so that the essay is unique to you. For more information about taking one of these free workshops, go to ingeniuslearning.com and look for the link Free Workshops. My name is Mike Flynn, owner of Ingenious Learning Center, and I hope to see you soon.